welcome to Codehome Classroom. My name is Desmond, and I'm going to be your tutor for this class. We did an introductory video. If you've not watched the introductory video, I would like you to go and watch the lecture 1. This is lecture 2. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to introduce you to HTML. Since this is a web development class, we're going to start with HTML. But before that, there are some tools that you need to get for this class. Okay, now we are going to need a text editor. A text editor is simply an editor, a normal text editor. You have it if you're having a Windows. You have this Notepad software on your machine. Okay, but for the sake of the class, you're going to use a far more advanced text editor, which is called Sublime Text. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to show you how to or where to download the Sublime Text, and also after we are going to register an account on Pastebin. Okay, why Pastebin? Because we said in the earlier video that in this class there's going to be an assignment at the end of every lecture, and the assignment is going to be purely practical. So you're going to code, and when you are done with your code, we expect you to copy your code and paste your work on Pastebin, and you share your work, the link to your code in the Telegram page. So if you're not on the Telegram page, you will leave the link below. You click the link and you join our Telegram page. It's Codehome Classroom. Okay, so you leave the link below and you can join the Telegram page. And you have to join the Telegram page, since we are going to review all your codes there. We're going to help you correct your code if you have any errors or any bugs too. Will help you to debug all those problems. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Sublime Text, create an account on Pastebin. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. This is completely a free web development class and hands-on practical work. There's not going to be any more theories. There's going to be more on coding, building the next big thing, the next website, or the next web application like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, what have you, the next delivery, food delivery company, anything. Okay, so let's go to our browser. Let's go to inside our browser. Let's go to Google and go and download the Sublime Text. You search for Sublime Text. Then the third edition is the current one. So the first link that comes, it leads you directly to their website. Okay, so you click on the download Sublime Text, takes you to their website. Yeah. So whether you are on MacBook OS X or latest required, if you're on Windows, you can download the Windows version just by clicking on it. If your Windows machine is not 32 but 64-bit, you can download the 64-bit one. Or if you're on any Linux repos, whether Ubuntu, Kubuntu, any of the Linux platforms, this is also for you. So it's all platforms. So you click on the link and it will start downloading and you will install. It's a simple installation. Okay, you click on it, you download a zip file. You just unzip it and you continue with next. For the Windows people, click on next, and it will install. With the Mac OS, you click on it, you unzip it, you find the icon, the Sublime Text icon, you click on it and it will be open for you. Okay, so that's basically it for downloading the Sublime Text. Now we are going to look at Pastebin. Okay, how to create an account on Pastebin. So you search for Pastebin. If you don't know their direct website, just search for Pastebin in your Google search. So we have pastebin.com. That's the first link that you see here. So pastebin.com. You click on the pastebin.com and it takes you to their website. So I think I didn't log out of my account. That's not something to be doing. Always try and log out of your account. Okay. So I'm going to log out of the account. I'm going to log out of my account so I show you how to create one. So that's basically the Codehome account. on Pastebin. So you see the sign in and the sign up. So click on the sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail. You can sign up with your Gmail, your Twitter account, or your Facebook, or you can just enter your username, your email, and your password. Whether you can use a suggested password if only you remember. Okay, but it will be saved in your Chrome, whether you're about to use the suggested password. Or you can just choose any password and remember to enter the captcha. Okay, remember to enter the captcha and you click on your create my account, and your account will be created and you can sign in. Okay, you can sign in your username. Our username is Kodo. The password, you enter the password and you log in into your Pastebin. Oops, I think I've forgotten my password. I think I signed in with the Google. So remember, if you sign in with Google, if you sign up with Google, always sign in with Google. Okay, even though I know the email, maybe my password has been encrypted or something, always sign in with Google. But if you use their normal sign up for registration, you always go for your email. They use the email that you use and the password that you use. But if you sign in, yes, I sign in with Google, so it will automatically sign me in if I click on the sign in with Google. So your username here shows your code home Pastebin. Okay, I pasted an assignment on Palindrome C++ for, I think, for some people in the some people on the Telegram page, because they needed it. They are having some e-learning. They are doing some e-learning, and their lecturer gave them an assignment, and we have to help them out. Yeah, because it's a software developers page. So any problem, if it is in our means to help you, we will assist you to solve that problem. Okay. So this is your Pastebin. If the assignment is given, okay, and you are done with the work, let's say you are done with your code and you want to let's go to the code. Let's say you are done with the code. Let me bring some code here. I'm going to copy some code. Let's say this is your assignment and you are done with your HTML code, full website. Okay, you are done and you want to submit the assignment. You just click on Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy. Okay, or you just use a right click and just click on copy. So when you copy your code, you come back to the browser, Pastebin. See where the plus with the green button on the menu bar called paste. You click on the paste. You get this text area, okay, to paste your code. So Control V, paste all the code that you copied. Okay, so if this was the assignment, you just paste it in there. Now down here, you are not done. When you paste it in down here, the syntax highlighting, it makes you select the code, the language that you wrote in. So let's say it is Java, JSON, HTML, in this case HTML, so that it will our code will be colored using the HTML coloring scheme. Okay, so expiration date, when should this code expire, so that people will not have access to this code on your Pastebin account. Maybe 10 minutes, 1 hour later, you should just delete from my system. People shouldn't have access to this code, or you put that never. So for the sake of the class and for the sake of referencing all our assignments, always remember to put it at never. Okay, so that anybody can just click on a link at any time to have a look at your work. And always make it public, okay, not private, members only, or unlisted. That means you have to select some people you want them to see. So the folder, I don't have a folder because this is not a pro members only account. If I was having if I bought the premium version, I would have created a folder and I could have shared it with the members for the class. Okay, and the name of the page, so let's say HTML, or let's say lecture 2. Okay, so let's go for lecture 2, and you click on create new, paste, and your work will be pasted. Okay, your paste has triggered an automatic spam detection, so you have to enter our reCAPTCHA, CRX. It can be very tricky at times. I think it's capital X, capital GRG. I'll submit. Yes, so you see I'm having the HTML color scheme now. My code has been neatly colored, and when I go to code home, then this lecture 2, when I go to code home, which is my account, sorry, mind you, it's not coronavirus. Okay, I feel like something is in my throat, but it's not coronavirus. So you can see here I have the lecture 2 there, so I can click on the lecture 2, and inside the address bar here, the top here, this is the link, pastebin.com/BEY. This is the link to the assignment. So when you are done, you copy this link, okay, this link, and this is the link that you share with us, okay, and attach with your name on the Telegram page. Okay, so friends, I think that's it for this video, how to download the Sublime Text, create an account on Pastebin, and our next video, which is HTML. We're starting with the HTML and coding and trying our hands on the syntax of HTML. Will be in soon, hopefully this week. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and share with any friend. Okay, share with your friends, because we are living in a technological age, and I think that if you share this with your friend, he'll be very grateful to you. Okay, and we encourage you to pick on a skill, and web development is one of the key skills to pick on during these times. And even if you're in this country, if you're in Ghana, I would encourage you as a young guy or a young lady to learn web development, because there are a lot of companies, a lot of institutions, churches, NGOs who are not on the internet, who don't have a website. Okay, and during this, amidst this pandemic, I think that it's also an awakening to some businesses that I think that after this COVID-19, I have to move my business online, and they'll be looking for website developers all around. It's going to be it's a booming business outside in the Western world, but here in Ghana, people are now still trying to adjust to it. But I think that it is very good for you to pick on this skill during this time, during this lockdown. Okay, during this lockdown season, so that when this is over, we know that it shall surely pass. You'll be having a hands-on practical skill, okay, that you can be benefiting from. You can start your own website development freelancing job, or you can start your own company for website development in your home, and can work from home for big companies, do their website for them, and not take anything less than maybe 1,000 Ghana cedis, 1,500, 2,000 cedis for a website. Trust me, you can take as high as 3,500 or 5,000 cedis for a website. Okay, so this is a good skill to pick on during this season. So don't forget, like our YouTube channel, subscribe, like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.